Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you the best music affiliate programs that you can join. In this video I won't only focus on the affiliate programs themselves, but I'm going to also focus on how we can promote them. That's really important. Now if you're a sound engineer and you may review the latest guitars, microphones and audio equipment. If you're a music teacher, you can promote, let's say, I don't know, online music courses. There are plenty of ways how we can make money in the music industry, and I believe that there's like always space how we can make money. Now, the most important thing is that you need to actually understand the products that I'm going to show you and the programs, and then you can make like really good revenue. And another question is how you're gonna get the traffic. So let's start. The first one is Guitar Center with 6% of commission. And what is really great is what you can do is actually promote like the products here. So let's say that you would be, I don't know, you would be presenting softwares or studio monitors, whatever, and then you will be reviewing it, and then what you would do is that you would actually recommend it for people, right? So that's something you can definitely do. And this is the first one, the Guitar Center. The second one is Musician's Friend with a 4% commission and cookie duration 14 days. And again, what you can do is, let's say that I would be selling drums here, and let's say that I would be creating online course, and then I would be a course, and then I would be presenting like, I don't know, DJ gear here. And what you can do is like actually then link it to people so they can buy it, and then they would be buying it, and then it will be making more money. So that's something you can make money too. The next one I prepared to you is a Sam Ash. SamAsh.com offers you 7 to 10%, and you can sell these products too. So that's something you can definitely do. Then we're gonna have the Signorama here with 70% of commission of instant downloads, 40% of shipped courses, and cookie duration is 60 days. So that's something you can do. And let's say I have local lessons here. Product, Signorama, superior songwriting. And then you could easily like promote it in like how to sing, or how you can do how to write a song, right? And this is something you can do. And what you could do is actually write a blog, write an article, create a YouTube video, and how to write a song. And that's something you can definitely do. Then another one that I prefer is ZSounds. So ZSounds offers you 6% plus bonuses, and you're gonna like 45 cookie duration. So if someone is going to click on a link and they're not going to buy immediately but later, you can have like cookie duration 45 days. So that's something you can definitely do, and this is the really good way how we can make money. And now how you can actually promote everything. So the great way is like create YouTube videos about the products, reviews, and let's say that I would be, I don't know, guitars, electric guitars. I would go top sellers, and I would be reviewing it, right? So what I could do is just come here and just make a video about it. And then if people are interested, they can buy it, right? Through the link down below the description. But you have to actually understand it. You need to be professional about it. That's really important. So that's something you can definitely do, and I think that's a good way how we can make money. And if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. but I really believe that this is a really great way. And if you want to start creating YouTube videos, there is a link down below in the description for YouTube course, and that's completely for free. And I will teach you how you can make money with YouTube. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.